It's already changed in Northern Ireland and Scotland, but for England and Wales it's still essentially summery. But as the motion's coming in from the Atlantic, you won't be surprised that, as we normally get rain from that direction, that rain's coming in. Indeed it is. This is that rain, lime green. Good line there, I think, and it'll be slowly moving eastwards. The cloud ahead of it is thickening and probably will bring some showers this afternoon, or a spot or two of rain anywhere, really, from the centre of southern England up through Wales to northern England, more especially during this evening, at which point Northern Ireland should be dry. There's a small risk, but only a small one, that the showers in France at the moment might just cross the channel and show themselves in Kent. But otherwise, it's still a nice summer's day for most. But a big difference occurs by the end of the weekend. We bleed away the temperatures pretty quickly. By Sunday, which is when this picture ends, the yellows are in. That's 6 or 7 degrees down on today's temperatures. Now, you can't really see what's coming in at the moment. I will show you what's developing. Look out over here, take the forecast ahead 3 days, and it's just these little lines here developing. Eventually you get something that looks far more like autumn than summer. That's because it is. Wind and rain accompany that sort of thing. I don't know if this will be any comfort to those at the Oval, but I would think there's a high chance of interruption to play on Sunday and also in Monday. Now, tonight's weather continues in the same vein, but not as cold as last night. Showers or the odd bits of rain running across the whole UK. It changes tomorrow's weather a little bit in that it won't be quite as warm or as sunny today, but I think essentially not a bad day. Showers at their heaviest in the west of England and Wales in the morning, a bit of rain in eastern Scotland too. It's all moving in that direction. It should be a better afternoon for many on the western side of the UK, but with lower temperatures than today. 21 to 23 will be typical. That's already 2 or 3 degrees down, as you can see. But then, of course, there's Sunday. Now, Sunday may well start off briefly at dawn reasonable on the eastern side of England and Scotland. But I'm afraid the temperature's now down to 16 or 17, with the winds strong enough to almost be gale force in the afternoon in the West Country and Wales. This looks a pretty miserable end to the weekend. And that rain could well be substantial, and I'm sure wanted by many. I wouldn't mind, I have to say, my garden wants it, but it doesn't mean it's going to be a very pleasant day to be out. It's a taste of autumn that will last until the end of Monday at least. However, we're still not doing badly, because still heading for Bermuda, and I mentioned this yesterday, is Hurricane Fabian, probably the biggest storm they've had for at least 40 years.